So welcome back to examples of Fourier series. That is trigonometric Fourier series examples and complex exponential Fourier series example. Next example is for the periodic gate function shown in figure. So this is a periodic gate function waveform. First bit, find the trigonometric Fourier series. Second bit, derive the corresponding exponential Fourier series. And third bit, find the exponential Fourier series directly. Fourth bit, plot the magnitude spectrum and phase spectrum. And second bit, derive the corresponding exponential Fourier series mean the first bit is trigonometric Fourier series expansion. So using relationship between trigonometric Fourier series and complex exponential Fourier series, we can determine complex exponential Fourier series. Using that relations, find out the expansion of complex exponential Fourier series. That is second bit. And third bit is find out complex exponential Fourier series directly mean, so using expression of exponential Fourier series. What is the expression of the exponential Fourier series? F of t is equal to sigma n is equal to minus infinity to infinity fn into e power jn omega naught t, where fn is equal to 1 by capital T integral t naught to t naught plus capital T f of t into e power minus jn omega naught t dt. That is the direct method. Okay, so that is the second bit and third bit. The difference is understood clearly. Is it clear? Solution. So from the given waveform, the function f of t is equal to, so now here, so calculate trigonometric Fourier series for t is equal to minus tau by 2 to plus 3 tau by 2, or calculate 0 to capital T, and every capital T seconds same waveform will be repeated. So this is the periodic waveform. This is a periodic signal, and this is positive cycle, positive rectangular pulse, and this is negative rectangular pulse. So calculate the trigonometric Fourier series expression for t is equal to 0 to capital T, or calculate minus tau by 2 to plus minus tau by 2 to 3 tau by 2. So what is the function f of t? So this is the rectangular function. This is positive cycle and this is negative cycle. So in this case, for t is equal to tau by 2 to 3 tau by 2, the function f of t is equal to 0. This is negative pulse, 0, and this is positive pulse. So what is the amplitude of this pulse? A. Therefore, a function f of t is equal rectangular function. What is the standard definition of the rectangular function? F of t is equal to a rectangular of t by tau. What is the definition of the rectangular pulse? F of t is equal a rectangular of t by tau. That is a positive pulse. What is the positive pulse amplitude here? Capital A. What is that interval? Minus tau by 2 to plus tau by 2. The interval is minus tau by 2 to plus tau by 2. The function f of t is a constant rectangular pulse. Okay? And tau by 2 to 3 tau by 2, what is the function f of t? 0. This is on the x-axis, 0. So this is the function f of t from the given waveform. Now calculate expansion of trigonometric Fourier series. So what is the expansion of trigonometric Fourier series? F of t is equal a naught plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos of n omega naught t plus bn sin of n omega naught t. So first calculate the quotient a naught, an and bn. After that, substitute a naught, an and bn values into this equation, we get the expansion of trigonometric Fourier series of given gate function. So what is the time period here? Capital T is the time period. So the coefficient a naught is equal to 1 by capital T integral T naught to T naught plus capital T. So what is the lower limit? Minus tau by 2 is the lower limit. So now here minus tau by 2 to plus tau by 2, the rectangular function is constant, and tau by 2 to 3 tau by 2, the rectangular pulse is 0. And applying given condition, given waveform function f of t into this equation, so we get constant a naught is equal 1 by capital T integral minus tau by 2 to plus tau by 2. The function f of t is a for this interval. Okay, a is the constant that is written before integration. A by capital T integral 1 dt is t over minus tau by 2 to plus tau by 2. So now applying the upper limit and lower limit of t. So therefore, a by capital T into tau by 2 minus of lower limit minus tau by 2. Minus into minus plus 2 tau by 2. 2 is the cancel. A tau by t. The constant a naught is equal to a tau by t. Okay. Next calculate coefficient a. So this is the standard expression of coefficient a. A is equal to 2 by capital T integral T naught to T naught plus capital T f of t into cos of n omega naught. So now here what is the function f of t? The function f of t is a for t is equal to minus tau by 2 plus tau by 2, and function f of t is equal to 0 for t is equal to tau by 2 to 3 tau by 2. So therefore, f a n is equal 2 by capital T integral minus tau by 2 to plus tau by 2 f of t is a cos of n omega naught t dt. A is constant that is written before integration. Integral of cos is sine of n omega naught t by n omega naught. Now here integrating with respect to t, n omega naught is constant divided by n omega naught over minus tau by 2 to plus tau by 2. Now applying the limits, that is equal an is equal 2a by capital T. Upper limit, upper value of t is tau by 2 and lower value of t is minus tau by 2. Sine of minus theta minus sine theta, before minus is there, minus into minus plus, that is equal sine plus sine, sine x plus sine x, 2 sine x, that is equal 2 sine of n omega naught tau by 2 by n omega naught. So what is the sine? Now convert to the coefficient an will be converted to the sampling function notation. What is the sampling function? The sampling function is given by or defined as sum of x is equal to sin x by x. So now here, what is the x value? N omega naught tau by 2. Sin x by x. In the denominator term, tau by 2 is missing. So multiplying numerator and denominator by tau by 2. Multiplying numerator and denominator by tau by 2. So 2 into 2, 4. 2 is cancelled. 2 is cancelled. Therefore, 2a tau by t sin of n omega naught tau by 2 by n omega naught tau by 2. Sin x by x is equal to sum of x. Sum of x is a sampling function. That is equal 2a tau by capital T sum of n omega naught tau by 2. That is the coefficient an. Next, calculate coefficient bn. So this is the basic expression of coefficient bn. Bn is equal to 2 by capital T integral t naught to t naught plus capital T f of t into sine of n omega naught. So from the given waveform, what is the function f of t? The function f of t is equal to a. For t is equal to minus tau by 2 to plus tau by 2. A is constant that is written before integration. 2a by capital T. Integral of sine is minus cos of n omega naught t by n omega naught over minus tau by 2 plus tau by 2. Now applying the upper value of t and lower value of t. Now applying upper value of t and lower value of t, cos of n omega naught tau by 2 minus cos of n omega naught of minus tau by 2. Cos of minus theta is cos theta, that is equal cos of n omega naught tau by 2 minus cos of n omega naught tau by 2. 0. 0 by something 0. 0 into something 0. The coefficient Bn is equal to 0. So therefore, the trigonometric Fourier series substitute A0, An and Bn values into standard expression of trigonometric Fourier series. What is that standard expression? F of t is equal to A0 plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity, sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity, An cos of n omega naught t plus Bn sin of n omega naught t. And A0 is a tau by t plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity An. What is the coefficient An? So this is the coefficient An. An is equal to 2a tau by t sin of n omega naught tau by 2 by n omega naught tau by 2, or 2a tau by t sin of n omega naught tau by 2 into cos of n omega naught t plus Bn 0. 0 into sin of n omega naught t 0. Therefore, so this is the trigonometric Fourier series expansion of given gate function. That is the first bit solution. And second bit. What is the second bit? Second bit is derive the corresponding exponential Fourier series. So using relationship between exponential Fourier series and trigonometric Fourier series relations, find out exponential Fourier series expansion. We know that f naught is equal to a naught and fn is equal Fn is equal 1 by 2 An minus j Bn, and F minus n is equal to, okay. So first calculate Fn. Fn is equal to 1 by 2 An minus j Bn. So Bn value is 0. An minus j into 0, An by 2. But An is 2a by 2a tau by t sin of n omega naught tau by 2 n omega naught tau by 2 an by 2. So 2 is the cancel remaining equation. A tau by t sin of n omega naught tau by 2 by n omega naught tau by 2, or sin x by x is sum of x. Sin of n omega naught tau by 2 by n omega naught tau by 2 is sum of n omega naught tau by 2. Fn is equal to a tau by t into sum of n omega naught tau by 2. So what is the exponential Fourier series? This is the equation of exponential Fourier series. Sigma n is equal to minus infinity to infinity fn into e power j n omega naught. The coefficient fn is already calculated. This fn value into this equation, we get expression of complex exponential Fourier series. Therefore, f of t is equal to fn into e power j n omega naught. That is second bit solution. And third bit, that determine exponential Fourier series. Direct determination of not trigonometric Fourier series, direct determination of exponential Fourier series. Sorry. Exponential Fourier series. So direct determination of exponential Fourier series. How to calculate direct determination? So this is the standard expression of exponential Fourier series. So calculate coefficient Fn. What is the expression of coefficient Fn? Where Fn is equal to 1 by capital T integral T naught to T naught plus capital T f of T into e power minus jn omega naught t. So using this expression, calculate Fn value. And previous bit is using relations determine Fn value is calculated. Now here in this expression, using this expression, you can determine Fn value. F of t is a over minus tau by 2 plus tau by 2 e power minus jn omega naught. Integral of e power minus jx is e power minus jx by minus j over minus tau by 2 plus tau by 2. A is constant, that is written before integration. After integration, this is the value. Now applying the limits. Upper value of t is tau by 2 and lower value of t is minus tau by 2. Here negative exponential. Minus is there, minus into minus plus. That is equal a by capital T into j n omega naught into e power j n omega naught tau by 2 minus e power minus j n omega naught tau by 2. So using Euler identity, e power jx minus e power minus jx is 2j sin x. We know that e power jx minus e power minus jx is 2j sin x. Now what is x value? N omega naught tau by 2. 2j sin of n omega naught tau by 2 by j n omega. Numerator and denominator, j is cancelled. So what is the sampling function? Sin x by x, sin of n omega naught tau by 2. The denominator n omega naught is there. So tau by 2 is missing. So multiplying numerator and denominator by tau by 2. Fn is equal to a tau by t sin of n omega naught tau by 2 by n omega naught tau by 2. Sin x by x is sampling function, that is equal a tau by t sum of n omega naught tau by 2. So this is the coefficient Fn using direct method. So therefore, the exponential Fourier series f of t is equal, substitute Fn value into this equation. Substitute Fn value into this equation. Okay? We get exponential Fourier series Fn is equal a tau by t n is equal to minus infinity to infinity sin of n omega naught tau by 2 by n omega naught tau by 2 into e power jn omega naught. Fourth bit is draw the spectrum, amplitude spectrum and phase spectrum. So in this equation, what is the coefficient Fn? Fn is already calculated in the second bit. What is Fn? Fn is equal to a tau by t sum of n omega naught tau by 2. So standard function, sampling function. This is the okay. So in this equation, what is the amplitude? A tau by capital T. At t is equal to 0, we have maximum value. At origin, we have maximum value. What is that maximum amplitude? A tau by t. And remaining values of t, the shape of the curve decreases. Okay. So the amplitude plot of Fn is discrete spectrum existing at omega is equal to 0 plus or minus omega naught plus or minus 2 omega naught plus or minus 3 omega naught. At that frequencies, the corresponding amplitudes. What are the amplitudes? At origin, the amplitude is a tau by t. At plus or minus omega naught, a tau by t sum of pi tau by t. So omega naught is equal to 2 pi by capital T. So 2 is cancelled. Therefore, a tau by t sum of n pi tau by capital T. In this equation, substitute different integer values of n. N is equal to 0. So of 0 is 1. The magnitude is a tau by t. At n is equal to 1. A tau by t is of pi tau by t. At n is equal to 2. A tau by t is of 2 pi tau by t. Similarly, remaining values. Sampling function. What is the standard spectrum of the standard waveform of the sampling function? This is the standard waveform of the sampling function. Standard waveform. This is the shape of the sampling waveform. At origin, what is the magnitude value? A tau by t. And remaining values of n omega naught, the shape of the curve decreases rapidly. So this is the amplitude spectrum. This is the phase spectrum. Okay. Thank you.